To fix this problem, go to your phone menu and try to search for Boomstar. So when you find the Boomstar app, tap on it for some while. Now tap on application details. Tap on the full stop. Now tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. After that, go back and tap on notification. So when you get to notification, what you have to do is to toggle the show notification on. When it's off like this, just tap on it to turn it on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. To get here, tap on background data. Make sure it's turned on. So when it's turned on, go back, then now tap on the storage and cache. Tap on clear storage, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to check for update for the app on Google Play Store. So after updating the app, make sure to tap on the power button for some while. Now tap on reboot to reboot this, and this is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.